We were getting excited about winter break, so our Lauren Duncan brought some winter wonderland to the studio. Check out these easy to make snowmen. Snowmen? I'm gonna be honest with you, I tried one last night, so I'm gonna make you try on TV.
Great.
They're delicious,
they
so
really,
don't be nervous.
They really do look good.
No, it's just the white chocolate. You gotta get in the inside. All right, I'll go ahead and eat the hat off this one.
Wow. Well, that is really good. Yeah. I kind of want to make one of these tasty video. Christmas
you were
versions.
saying earlier that you had before, though, right?
I've done one for Thanksgiving before, but I feel like...
What'd you make?
I made cinnamon bun apple pie.
That's right. Yep,
yeah, so it was really good. My mom and I had a lot of fun doing it, but I've seen all these kind of like holiday ones, so maybe after finals are over, gotta head to the kitchen and do that.
That's delicious.
That is delicious.
Yeah. All right.
Very good.
Well, thanks, Lauren Duncan, for making those for us.